John Tebbit said was insane. Look what this bloke in America did.
A dog owner sends his pet to be euthanized because he thinks his dog is gay. The pup was pumping another male dog. The owner told shelter workers he refuses to have a gay dog.
Yeah, he wants his dog to be killed because he's gay. Poor doggy, yeah. Imagine him in the pound. What are you in for? Too old. You? Too fabulous. Fetch your bone. Honey, I don't even know your name. Fly me to the moon. Don't fret. Luckily, this story has a happy ending.
A Facebook campaign was set up to try and save the dumped dog. And luckily, he's been adopted and named Elton.
Hey! All's well that ends well. Not only that, his new boyfriend loves to be teabagged.